savings in every bag? Yes, you heard that right. SM Hypermarket Park just turned grocery shopping into a full-on fiesta of surprises at the Complete Home and Grocery Expo. Held last June 13, the shopping floor was buzzing with excitement. Uling emo basta sali, atin mo namang guaranteed prizes. The highlight, the mystery bag promo for just 350 pesos or 500 pesos. You get a surprise bundle now worth so much more. Pwede ang pag-grocery, appliances, or even cash gift certificates. Sabi naping store manager Emmy Velasquez,
marami po tayong maaabangan ng mga buy one take ones na promo, discounts, and a lot of surprises po like bundles and promo discounts.
but wait, there's more. Atin mo namang buy one take one deals. A complete washing machine package with detergent and a fully loaded refrigerator up for grabs for lucky winners. Backed by trusted brands like Surf, Ariel, Nido, and Colgate, SM Hypermarket proves once again, here you don't just shop, you score big. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.